Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing a container runtime and a cluster tool. Install Docker Desktop or Podman, then pick Kind, Minikube, or K3D and install its CLI. Once done, install Kubectl and make sure its client version is compatible with your planned cluster. Set the kubeconfig environment variable or confirm default /. Kube/config. These steps establish the control plane and your local client. Follow them now so you can create the cluster in the next slide. You will now create and configure the cluster. Run Kind create cluster or Minikube start, or K3D cluster create with the desired node count. Once the cluster exists, enable necessary add-ons such as Ingress, Metrics Server, or a storage provisioner so your apps behave like production. Make sure to create namespaces and minimal RBAC roles for isolation. If you build images locally, either load them into the cluster or configure a local registry and mirror. You will finish by deploying and validating your workloads. Kubectl apply your manifests, then check pod health with Kubectl get pods and Kubectl describe for details. Once deployed, expose services via port forward or a cluster IP node port mapping and run quick smoke tests. Make sure to tail logs and probe readiness and liveness endpoints. If things go wrong, use Kubectl describe and Kubectl logs to find events. Verify CNI and storage, and confirm images were loaded. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most local cluster issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.